In the mad world of the stock market, you're in a jungle without a pistol, no map, no mercy, just instincts, noise, and predators lurking at every turn. Here, it's not about how strong you are, but how fast you adapt, how sharp your story is, and how well you read the tracks before the line bounces. Stocks, stories, and skills, your survival guide in the wild world of markets. We track fast-moving tickers and decode the business models behind the buzz. Because in this jungle, knowing what moves and why keeps you ahead of the herd. Hear inspiring tales of daring founders, visionary CEOs, and entrepreneurs who carved their own trail through chaos. Sharpen your instincts with investment wisdom, no gimmicks, just smart, time-tested principles to help you make better financial decisions when it counts. So, grab your compass. In this world of noise, hype, and hidden traps, let's navigate the wild together. Stocks, stories, and skills. Where survival meets sense. Where every trade tells a tale.